Hey, just wanna update about this week's market move. Um, so this week, it looks like it went up and then it went down on Tuesday, back up Wednesday, and down Thursday and Friday. Overall, it seems like that is going to a downward trend. But obviously, we're not sure about this, and it, I don't know what it's the probability of going up and down in the next coming week. It seems like it's going back down to this 43.26 back to around October of last year 2021. Yep, last year 2021 it was around at the lowest point, not the lowest point, but it was still going a bit downtrend until they hit this point and then bounce back up, and then it was just going a little bit up, a little bit down, kind of staying the same, and then January big drop, and then that's when it looks like it's going a downward trend, but um, we'll see, because by looking at the macroeconomic event, it um, is not too big of a concern. What's more important, or what's more of a concern, is that about the war between Russia and Ukraine. At this time, that's one of the big reasons why it's impacting the stock market. Um, let's see. By looking at this article, it summarizes just a whole week, and it really mentioned, well, yeah, so one of the big reason is the issue between Russia and Ukraine. It's going crazy. Um, yeah, it's going crazy. It's really messy at Ukraine, Russia at the moment. But in terms of looking at the stock, um, it have a big impact, and also it mentioned about the oil price. If I search this up, uh, where'd it go? Yeah, yeah. Also, it mentioned the oil market is going up like crazy. As high as 116 a barrel. If we are looking at, let's take a look of the oil in the trading view. Yes, oil. See, so the past few days it's been spiking up. Yeah, it have actually been going up since around December of last year. Yeah, but in this week, all these few days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, starting from Monday to Friday, just this week, there is a huge percentage change of the oil price. So if you look Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yeah, around 18, 17, 17, 18% increase just this week itself. Um, as you can tell, the oil is going up like crazy, and also the gas from driving, when I pump the gas, the price is going spiking up. It's crazy, and inflation, everything is coming um, together all at once. Um, yep, so that's one of the issue with the oil. Um, so if we are looking at the macroeconomic, the economic calendar, if we review what happened last week. Today is Sunday, the 6th, March 6th. Yep, to the March 6th. So for the past week, PMI release, the actual went up a little bit above the forecast. And this is the non-farm payroll, which is an important data released every first Friday of each month. Yep, so it looks like the employment change got higher than expected than the forecast. Whereas compared to last month, released February for the January data, it went down by it went down 201K, but then the forecast actually 2007. I mean 207,000, which is a big change compared to the last month. If we are looking at the usual non-farm payroll, it's higher than the forecast. Same with forecast. Employment rate is a bit lower than the forecast. If we are looking at this week, the important the important data would be the crude oil inventory, with since the oil price is going up this past week. If we are looking at the past week, the crude oil is going. So the forecast was 2.7 mil, and the actual was negative 2.5 mil. This is such a big change in the oil and the gas in the past week. So I think we should all look out for the crude oil inventory data this week. So with that, with that, it looks like it's going a downward trend, but it looks like the U.S. economy is still pretty not as bad as this is gonna get. I hope it will bounce back up. Same with the tech sector, which is QQQ, looks like also going to a downward trend. So I guess we'll see this coming week, how would the market perform. I'll update you guys next week. Thank you.